Ailing Japanese electronics giant Sony Corp warned it was heading for a bigger than expected $2.9 billion annual loss. And it's presenting a daunting task for incoming CEO Kazuo Hirai, who vowed to move quickly to turn things around.
There will be situations in which we will be required to choose, make a decision, or implement very painful issues that cannot be avoided for the future of Sony. But we can't take a step forward if we are afraid of this.
With Sony heading into a fourth straight year of losses, analysts say there will be no honeymoon period for him. Hirai already heads Sony's consumer products and services businesses, which produced most of Sony's $85 billion in annual sales. Wall Street bulls charge ahead on the first day of February after racking up the biggest monthly gains since October. And Facebook is ready to change its status from private to public, as in a publicly traded company. The leading social network officially filed paperwork for an initial public offering of up to $5 billion. The filing provides insight into Facebook. Advertising accounted for 85% of the $3.71 billion in revenues the company saw last year. Electronic Arts made news after the closing bell. The leading video game publisher beat targets during the holiday quarter. EA placed a big bet on its latest title, Star Wars: The Old Republic, which appears to be paying off. Author of the best-selling book, The Facebook Effect, David Kirkpatrick, speaks to Reuters TV in Shanghai about reports the company is set to file papers that will set the stage for an initial public offering.
Speaking to Reuters TV in Shanghai, David Kirkpatrick, author of The Facebook Effect, shares his thoughts on the social network's route to an IPO.
It's always been extremely important to Mark Zuckerberg to remain independent. He's turned down repeated offers to buy the company from Yahoo, from Microsoft, from News Corp, from MTV. Never was he interested. And he's not interested now. He wants independence in order to run Facebook the way he believes it should be run. And I think the IPO in that sense is an assistant to his goal, in that, you know, he will have this valuation. It will be much harder for someone to acquire him once he's, you know, proven by the stock market to be worth $100 billion.
Kirkpatrick's book documents the social network's rise from Harvard dorm room to the world's most popular social network, which at last count boasted 800 million members globally. It's expected that Facebook will reach 1 billion members in the not-too-distant future. Kirkpatrick says he sees upside potential for the value of the company, even from the numbers being bandied about at present. Facebook has yet to come to China, where it is blocked. The country Kirkpatrick is currently visiting has more internet users than any other nation in the world. The technology journalist and author is now updating his book, which he says he hopes to have ready in time for the blockbuster IPO, expected to be the largest ever to emerge from Silicon Valley. Matt Cowan, Reuters.